So originally, I thought to do this using Pixel Vendor and doing actual radial scaling. And so I put that together. And I created this little test file. It just shows me different angles. And basically, all this lets me do is it lets me run a filter where I can do radial scaling. I can basically collapse or expand different pieces of a pie. And so I reintegrated this in, and I got, well, this is an extreme test example, try not to get queasy. But I don't know, it's kind of neat, but it's not really what I wanted to do. So then I went back and I revisited again, and instead of trying to scale the individual slices, I just cut out the middle. So they're all reflected, and now they have different center points, but their edges are all the same, so they still line up nicely. And I started to get stuff that I actually did like. So still symmetry, but now we have multiple axes of symmetry, right? So you start to get a little bit more visual interest going. And the whole thing gets more complex, but retains the symmetry that keeps it aesthetically pleasing. And so, you know, again, start to get some outputs that I like from this. This is using the scaling, you know, different versions. This has a really neat edge. Bizarre, looks like something from a video game. And then even stuff that's completely off symmetry. So like this has an axis of symmetry running here, then it has another axis of symmetry that's running this way, and it's not at a 90 degree to the main axis of symmetry. So I thought this is starting to get kind of interesting.